Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Unlock your Apple ID. For that, open the browser on your iPhone. Then search for iforget.apple.com. Now many websites will appear on your screen. You just need to tap on this website. Now a recover page will appear on your screen. In this page, enter your recovery email or phone that you use for your account. Tap on continue. Now verify your trusted phone or email address. Tap on continue. After that, a verification code will appear on your screen which you have to enter here. Now enter your iPhone passcode. Now you have to enter your new password. Then enter your new password again to confirm. Tap on continue. So you can see that the password has been changed. Tap on done. Now you go back to the previous menu and go to settings. And try to log in with your Apple ID. And see if your Apple ID is logged in or not. Solution 2. Reset your Apple ID password. Launch the settings application on your iOS device. Then tap on your name at the top of the page. Now tap on sign in and security. On the next page, tap on change password in the middle of screen. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Here you need to tap your new password, then retype the password. Tap on continue button.